wheels on it. What's up, guys? We're at my secret fishing spot, and I'm pretty hungry, so we're gonna see if we can catch a few hogs. I also got the wheels on the canoe, which is clutch, because it's kind of like a mile walk up to the lake, so let's do it. Just towing the canoe along, not too bad. Not too bad, but I've been pretty successful here in the past, so we're gonna see if we can catch a few for dinner and cook them on up. So I'm actually pretty hungry today. It's Good Friday. I've been fasting, and if you're Catholic during Lent, you can't eat meat on Fridays, you can only eat fish. So I decided that either I catch a fish today and eat it, or I go hungry. So you know, we're simulating the hunt like our ancestors back in the day. But yeah, we're only about halfway there. Look at the girth of that tree. That thing just shoots on up. Boing! All right, almost there. Just walking this bad boy up a little bit further. It's kind of like walking your dog, but minus the dog. Just a little bit heavier, but you know, oh yeah. We're working them guns today, baby. It's a workout and a half. The wheels are getting a little lopsided, but yeah, I tried to reduce wobble as much as I could before we started going. I'm hoping we can get there and I won't have to readjust the wheels, because that'll just take a little bit of time, and there's hogs to catch. Big ones. There she blows. Yep, here she is. I gotta put in soon, because as you guys can see, my canoe is like kind of bowing out to the side. So find a nice little spot, put her in. I bet there's some big old honkers under that log. Yep, whatever I catch, I'm cooking today, so stay tuned for the cook as well. All right, this seems like a pretty good spot to put in, so I'm gonna take the wheels off and get to it. Gonna sit on that nice cushion right there. Just kind of slide this canoe on in. Hopefully all my stuff doesn't spill. Whoa! Nice and easy. Oh yeah. Probably a couple scratches on the bottom, but it's all good, baby. It's all good. All right, definitely don't want to fall here. Oh yeah. All right, and we're off. Some underwater tree stumps. All engines ahead full. So nice out. Any nibbles?
One or two.
Nice. Oh, right on, man. Good luck. Sweet.
Good luck.
Thank you. I'm gonna go back in that corner. I got one there last time, so. Oh, right on, dude. Thank you. You too, man. Oh, he was a nice guy. Just another fisherman looking for a nibble or two. Got a pretty strong headwind directly in the face, but just gotta keep on swimming, baby. Yeah, so we're going right in that back corner back there. That's where I caught a big old boy last time. So we're gonna see if any of his friends are out to play. Two bald eagles. I don't know if you guys could see him, but that boy's whipping by. We got that guy up there. We got that guy right there. Woo! They're gonna try to steal my fish. I know it. I know it. There they are. Fighting. Or making love, hard to tell. You never know nowadays. People like to jump off this cliff in the summer. Apparently. I haven't been here in the summer yet, but that's what I've been told. It's my first spring in Washington, and it's beautiful. All right, seems like that wind has died down a little bit. Yeah, I like this. Gonna crack a nice cold, refreshing beverage and then get a couple casts in there. Beverages are in here for now, but once I start catching them, I'm gonna trade out the beverages and put the fish in there to keep them cool for dinner. Pretty fire. Blackberry lemonade. Let's go. 0 calories, 0 sugar. I'm fasting today till I catch a fish, and if I don't catch one, well, I'm gonna go hungry. So just for the day though. So hopefully we have a little luck out here. All right, baby. Just gonna let the wind blow us in here. That's fine. That is fine. Got my net right here, just in case I get one on the first cast. All right, let's see. Let's see if I have that first cast luck. Away she goes. I mean, that thing is pretty shiny. If I was a fish, I'd be biting that all day. Take a sip in between and start reeling it. Start reeling and dealing. It's calm back here. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. I'm hoping to get a cutthroat trout. That's what I got last time, and I cooked it up and ate it. But apparently there's also bass in here. And who knows what else. Let's see if they want this lure. Ooh, one just jumped over there. Too far away. There's also a guy fishing over there, so I don't want to go steal all his fish. I don't have an anchor for this canoe, so I'm just gonna kind of paddle around and see where the wind takes me. But yeah, last time I was here, I caught one on this lure. Haven't changed it out or anything, so we'll see if it works again. I'm gonna reposition us. I heard something splash. It's kind of far away. Something just jumped over there. I don't know why I'm whispering, but I think it's because I don't want that other guy to hear me. I'm embarrassed. He might think I'm a psycho talking to myself. But really, I'm just trying to narrate what's going on, and I probably am a bit of a psycho too, but what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Alright, turning this around. Not too shabby. Not too shabby indeed. Couple jigs. Almost felt like something, but I think I'm just antsy. You can see it shining in there. Cast. Sip. Jig. Reel. Let's see if that's the method that we need to start doing. Well, I had a little tangle in the line, so gonna have to undo this. Can't get frustrated though, it's just a part of the process. It's the way it is. All right. So right now I'm just rethreading my line through the pole. Boom. Sweet. They've been jumping all over me. They're back here. All right, so I don't know how you guys do it, but typically when I do a very simple knot. That's probably why I lose a lot of my lures. But I just put it through once. Hold it like that. Twist it a bunch of times. Bada bing, bada boom. Just get as many twists as I can in there without hooking myself. Give it a lick. And then put the bitter end back through the original loop. I think it's called the fisherman's knot. And then pull them all. It should tighten down on itself just like that, and boom. Pull that bad boy tight. It ain't going anywhere. And I got this little guy. Clip off that end so the fishies don't expect anything too fishy. All right, now we're ready to rock and roll. Let's get a couple casts in here, shall we? Oh, one just jumped right there. One literally just jumped right there. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Oh, terrible cast. Not near him. Yeah, I'm gonna reel that in. Terrible cast. Oh, one jumped right there. I hope I tied this lure on tight enough. Oh, they just jumped right there. I don't know how big these guys are, but they're jumping everywhere. They are certainly jumping everywhere. They're hungry little buggers. I'm gonna try to get one back in there. Oh, not the fairest cast ever, but whatever. Yeah, the smaller lure is not casting as far as my bigger lure that I just had on. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Come give me a nibble. Maybe try down this way. Yeah, that's about the max cast I got with the smaller lure. Not a lot of weight on it. Not bad, not bad. Start reeling. Start reeling and dealing. Come and get it. Come and get it. It's dinner, guys. Come on. Come and bite it. Come on. That might just be too close to me. I don't know how deep it is right here. That's a pretty steep drop off that cliff. Oh, something. Couple more over here, then I'll keep moving. Oh, one just jumped right there. Right there. I'm gonna cast right there. See if I can get him. I'm cast a little past him, so I could drag it through his region, his territory. You can hear the eagles. Very distinct. Come on, guys, come and nibble this thing. I don't know if they want the spinner today or what. Oh, where was that? Spinning us back around, so I can cast a few down in there because I think there's a couple in there. If not, then we'll keep moving, but I just have this feeling. I have a feeling. That's a fish. I have a feeling that's a fish right there. Let's see. Oh, yeah, this rod and line and reel, they get tangled a lot because it's kind of just a cheap. I just got the cheapest setup I could. Let's see if anyone wants to take a bite of that. I can hear them jumping all over. It's getting a little cold. I might have to put a sweatshirt on. All right, one more cast back in there. Let's see. Let's see what that gives us. Little jig. Oh, no, I'm kidding. False alarm, I'm kidding. I'm messing with you guys. That wasn't nothing. Okay, something actually just hit it. Something hit it, but it fell off. Something actually hit it, though. I'm not messing with you guys. Let's see if we can re-get him. He might just be spooked now. We're drifting kind of into his territory, too. Oh, one just jumped right there. Reverse cast. Not that far from him. All right, I'm gonna get one more cast back in here. I always say that, but this is it. One more. Got a little grass. Little grassy ass. Those eagles are active. They're out here fishing too. One time I caught a fish and as I was unhooking it, I was getting circled by an eagle. So hopefully that doesn't happen today, but if it does, I'll make sure to catch it for you guys. All right. Right back in here. Let's see what we got. I kind of want to go over by that stick. I'm gonna go by that stick. I'm gonna cast it and then paddle. It's not a stick, it's a tree. Fish by the tree, baby, fish by the tree. Yeah, this is where I want to be, right up in here. One just jumped over there. So unfortunately my GoPro died when I was out there fishing. But man, you guys missed it. I caught a massive 3-pound cutthroat. And I'm grilling it up right now. Let's take a little peek. Just kidding. It's a steak. I caught nothing yesterday. But yeah, GoPro died, sorry guys. Hopefully next time I'll catch a fatty. All right, see you guys.